Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at a screen recorder which is very efficient, and we've got a free version for that as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Cloud screen recorder is my personal favorite, especially for live streaming. You've got a ton of options, guys, lot of options. This is an online screen recording tool with plenty of features, and I love using Cloud. And this is one of the best screen recording softwares that I have ever used. Okay, having said that, in the Google search page now, so I'm gonna quickly search for Bandicam, and this is the website for Bandicam, and I'm gonna click here. Alright, this brings me to the home page of Bandicam, and straight away I'm gonna click on free download. Again, I'm gonna click on download. Takes a while. I'm gonna download it. Alright, my setup has been downloaded here. I'm just gonna click on the .exe file here. I'm gonna choose English. I'm gonna click next. This is basically the agreement. I'll agree. Alright, and just click next. Now I just choose the directory and click on install. There you go. The Bandicam setup has been finished installing, and I'm gonna check run Bandicam and click on finish. This is the UI for Bandicam, and they've got a lot of options here. Here is the record button. There you could record and then stop, and then you can actually pause the recording whenever you want, or you can just take a screenshot over here, and you can select the audio options. If you want to include a webcam, you can do it here. Also you could select a microphone here. Alright, if you want to add some text, you can do this here as well. All these things are available in Bandicam. Alright, I've got an unregistered version because this is the free version, and there are limited features for the free version. As you know, the video output is going to be limited, and a lot of other features from the screen recorder is going to be absent in this version. Anyhow, I'll show you how to do a screen recording from Bandicam. But before that, I'm gonna discuss a few things over here. So I'm just gonna go to the general settings here, and here we've got where the output has to be saved. I can actually change it over here, and I can actually schedule the recording. There are no scheduled recordings, so I can just click on settings here, and I could schedule a recording when it has to start, because in certain cases people want to schedule a recording. So in case we want to schedule a recording and give it a start time and end time, you can always click on the add button here, and you can actually select on which date, on which day, and at which time the recording should start. And you can always give a end time, and it will basically show up the duration, and then click on OK. And you can also set rules after recording. Once the recording has been completed, you just have to either I could exit Bandicam or shut down my computer, so I can set up whatever I want. Also I can select whether I have to record the full screen or a rectangle area on a screen or whatever. Alright, and in case if I have multiple displays, I could select which display to start screen recording. Alright, for now I'll just click on cancel because I don't have anything to record on a schedule, so I'll just close it here. Alright, now let's go to video area. Here it's basically hotkeys. You can set up hotkeys for recording and stopping the video. You can actually change it here if you want. All right, and there is a little settings button here where you could actually select what are the speakers that you're going to use, or microphone details. You can just include the microphone that you want to record. All right, and then the webcam details. If you are using a green screen at the background, you can just click on chroma key and you can actually position your camera wherever you want to. I'm just gonna click cancel here because I don't want all of these, and here I can just click on add webcam overlay to the video. I'll just uncheck this. Alright, I'll just click cancel here. Now let me show you the image options here. You know, there are a lot of options to capture your screen, and it allows you to screen capture on various formats. JPG is good for me. That's it. The about section has basically what version of Bandicam is this, and if you want to register, you actually register here and get a pro version. All right, so I'm just gonna go to home, and in the home there is a little palette here where I could actually start with my recording easily. All right, I'm gonna show you how to record a game, but since I don't have any games in my system, I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Just click on game recording here, and when I go to start recording here, it shows me a prompt that says you have not selected which game to be recorded. So I'm just gonna click no here. So since I don't have a game to record, this is what the Bandicam shows me. I'll just come out, and if I want to record a certain area, I can just record the area that I want. If I want, I can actually resize it. I'll just close this window. Again, I'm gonna record the full screen. All I have to do is either click on record here or click on the start recording here, or I could use the hotkey, which is F12. Right, but before doing that, I'm gonna select the webcam. Since I'm using a webcam already, that's going to be an issue, so my webcam doesn't show up here. All right, I'll just click on OK. I'm gonna choose my speakers, let it be default. I'm just gonna go and select my default output device. Here there is a microphone option. There I could just select the microphone that I'm using. I'm gonna click on OK. Alright, now it shows a little red bar over here, and you can see my microphone is being recorded. And these are the mouse pointer options. I'm just going to click here. If I want to show my mouse cursor, I'm going to do that, and if I want to add a mouse click effect, I'm going to do that as well. Look at this, there is a little preview here. I can actually change this color to blue, and there you go. You can change the mouse click effects. And also this color is for right click. I'm just gonna click on green, and see, if I do a right click, there you go, I've got a green color. All right, here if I do a right click, I'm gonna get a green color effect. There you go. And in case if you want to add a highlight effect, and you can also add a color to the highlight, there you go. I think yellow is better, so I'm gonna just choose yellow. There you go. And then if I want to play mouse click sounds while I'm recording, I can actually check these boxes over here to actually record the sounds of my click. All right, in case I want to add a logo, I can just add a logo here. In case I want to add a text, I can just check this box, and I'm gonna add my name, Emmanuel. All right, and I'm just gonna click on OK. There you go, and my text shows up here. If I want to edit the text, I can click on edit, and I can change the alignment. I can change where the text should be located, top, middle, or bottom. I think bottom would be nice. and then I could just add some outline effects. If I remove the outline, there's not going to be an outline. If I remove the shadow, it doesn't look like a text, so I'm just gonna add outline and shadow. Alright, I'm just gonna click on OK. Alright, now everything's been set up. Now I'm going to record my screen. Alright, here I could actually select the area to be recorded again, just for information. Alright, I've set all these up and I'm gonna click on record screen here. And there you go, the recording has started, and I'm just gonna minimize the window here, and I'm just going to visit the Bandicam website once again. You can get a nice little clicking sound which we already enabled. I think, okay, I'm gonna stop this recording. I'm gonna click on stop. If you want to look at the output of the recording that has been done here, if you look at this, there is a folder icon on the top. I'm gonna click on the folder icon here, and there you go, I've got my recording, and I'll show you the output. I'm just going to visit the Bandicam website once again. You can get a nice little clicking sound which we already enabled. There you go, the recording is clean, and we've got a fantastic screen recording done using Bandicam. I hope this video was very useful to you guys, and until I see you in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel, and cheers. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.